Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to integrate your Gmail with ChatGPT. This will help you with your daily task dealing with Gmail. So first thing, open your Gmail. Then you see the plus button on the right side here. Click on it. Then in the search bar, search for GPT for Gmail. Then scroll down a little bit until you find this extension. Click on it, then install. Then just click next and done. After that, you should have the extension added here. Now you will have your ChatGPT tool linked to your Gmail that will help you to deal with the daily tasks like writing emails, replying to emails, or summarizing the content of emails. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe in the channel. Thank you for watching.